Today we'll talk about the reciprocal cross. What is reciprocal cross? Reciprocal cross is simply a breeding experiment in which the sexes are reversed compared to the original cross. So we write down here where interchange of, it is a breeding experiment. It is a breeding experiment. Reciprocal cross, a breeding experiment in which sexes are reversed compared to the original cross. So reciprocal cross is simply a breeding experiment where interchange of sexes takes place. So in reciprocal cross, what happens? Interchange of sexes takes place. Interchange of sexes takes place. This is another definition for this reciprocal cross, that where you interchange the sexes, that is called as interchange of sex compared to original cross. That is what is called as reciprocal cross. So reciprocal cross, it is a breeding experiment in which the sexes are reversed compared to the original cross, or where interchange of sex occurs as compared to that of the original cross. It means that this reciprocal cross, it is a pair of crosses. It is just a pair of crosses where for example, this is one individual, this is another individual. We are going to perform the reciprocal cross. If we'll take this in the original cross, we'll take this individual as a male and this individual as a female. Then in the next cross, that in the reciprocal cross, we have to take this individual as female and this as a male. So we can say that this reciprocal cross, it is a pair of crosses where the males and females are where in case the males are females in the second cross. What I mean to say is that if we'll take for example, we'll perform the reciprocal cross. We have parents explanation for reciprocal cross. We have parents. For example, phenotype of parents is tall pea plant. This is tall pea plant. This is tall pea plant. Genotype would be capital T, and it is being crossed with female. This is being crossed with dwarf pea plant. So we have dwarf pea plant. This is, for example, dwarf pea plant. The genotype is small t. Here we have got two parents. This is tall pea plant, which is dwarf. This is taken as male. This is male and this is female. We have two parents. This is male parent, this indicates male, and this indicates female. So tall pea plant is a male parent and dwarf pea plant is a female parent. So what we will get, this is their genotype, gametes. That means the pollen grains. Here the pollen grains, tall pea plant is the source of pollen grains, and these pollen grains will come from the tall pea plant. They will fall on the stigma of the dwarf pea plant, because dwarf pea plant acts as a female partner, and this tall pea plant acts as a male parent. So obviously the gametes are this one. Two alleles will get separated. Here also two alleles will get separated. They go to different gametes. Simply we have F1 generation, and we will get capital T, small t. This is hybrid tall. Now, what would be its reciprocal cross? Reciprocal cross. In the reciprocal cross, interchange of sexes take place as compared to that of the original cross. That means we have to take tall pea plant is in this reciprocal cross taken as female, and dwarf pea plant is taken as male. So in the reciprocal cross, this is cross first, this is cross second. This cross second, which we have to perform as a reciprocal cross. Here we have parents. Parents obviously will take two phenotype of the parents. That we will take tall pea plant. In this cross, in the cross first, we have taken it as a male partner, yeah, male parent. Then in the reciprocal cross, we will take it as female. We'll take it as a female partner. That is, this is tall pea plant. It is female. It is female parent. This female parent. Tall pea plant. This is female. The tall pea plant. This is female parent. Then it is being crossed with dwarf pea plant. We have dwarf pea plant. We have dwarf pea plant. This dwarf pea plant. This dwarf pea plant, it acts as male. This is dwarf pea plant. Pea plant. It acts as what? It acts as a male parent. So obviously genotype is capital T, genotype small t, then gametes, capital T, small t. So this is F1 tall. This is genotype here. These are gametes. So this is an example of reciprocal cross. This is an example of reciprocal cross. That means where there is an interchange of sexes. In the cross first, this tall pea plant is taken as a male, whereas in the reciprocal cross, in the cross second, this tall pea plant is taken as a female parent. So there is interchange of sex. It is a pair of crosses. We can say that reciprocal cross. It is a pair of crosses where the male and females are interchanged. Where males and females are interchanged. The parent which acts as a male in the original cross, that acts as a female in the reciprocal cross. So we can say that a reciprocal cross is that type of cross where interchange of sexes takes place compared to that of the original cross. Now we'll say that what is the purpose of this reciprocal cross? This reciprocal cross, it is basically it is used to observe the effect of parental sex on the inheritance pattern of the trait. That means this reciprocal cross, it tests the sex linked inheritance of the trait. So this the purpose of this reciprocal cross, it observes the effect of parental sex on the inheritance pattern of a trait. That means this tests the sex-linked inheritance of the trait, whether the trait is sex-linked or whether the genes are located on sex chromosomes, X chromosome, or it is located on autosomes. This is being done by means of reciprocal cross. So in case of animals, we have got, we have this, in case of animals, we have honey and mule. This honey and mule are examples of reciprocal crosses. They are produced by means of reciprocal cross. See, honey is produced by, we'll take male horse. It is being crossed with female donkey, and male is a product of, this honey is a product of male horse and female donkey, while as mule, it is a product of what? Male donkey and cross female horse. So here interchange, here male is, horse is male, and in the second cross this horse is female, and in this cross, in first cross, in cross first and in cross second, this donkey is female, and in cross second donkey is male. So we can say that honey and mule are the result outcome of the reciprocal crosses, and these honey and mule, they have clear-cut phenotypic differences. This honey is donkey-like and mule is horse-like. Both are sterile, but these are produced as a result of the reciprocal crosses between the male horse and female donkey. Yeah, this mule is produced because of the cross between male donkey and female horse. These are the outcome of the reciprocal crosses. So then we have got, this was regarding what the reciprocal cross is. There is another part of this video, that is what is the objective of the reciprocal cross. असल में ये reciprocal cross हम क्यों करते हैं, इससे क्या पता चलता है, what is the purpose of the reciprocal cross. So we'll discuss that, what is the purpose of reciprocal cross in the part second. Thank you.